Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, October 30th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Had a crazy day today. You know, the Dow Jones Industrial Average does react to news and things that happen, usually. And today, the Dow started out real positive and looked like another good day. It actually made intraday all-time record highs for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And then the Fed comes out and announced something everybody expected, that they were going to continue the bond buying program. You know, no change in the stimulus. It was exactly what everybody expected. And the market went crazy for a while. I mean, really volatile. I was watching it, and the Dow just plunged on that news. Now, logic would be that it would go up on the news, but there's that old saying, buy the rumor, sell the news, and that's exactly what happened today. But it's very typical. Markets don't follow any logic, and the Dow didn't follow any logic today. Anyway, we had about $7,000 in open trade equity coming into today, and it pretty much stayed at that right on the open, but this kind of mini sell-off in the overall market resulted in our losing a couple $1,000. We took almost $5,000 out in our closed out trade, so I'm not complaining about that. You know, $5,000 a day is pretty good. We are carrying negative 2,000 in our open trade that we're carrying into tomorrow. I'm not too worried about it. It just kind of spoiled me yesterday when we got all wins. Can't have all wins all the time, and we didn't get all wins today, but we still, we made a little bit of money, so we're not complaining. Anyway, I'll show you the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and again, yesterday I probably misstated it a little in the video. The Dow Jones actually closed at all-time record highs on the close yesterday. And then this morning, it really shot up. Looked like it was really going to go. This up here is all-time record intraday record for the Dow. And yet it really didn't seem to be able to sustain that pretty good. It came back, and then this right here, these two huge bars, particularly the second one here, this is when the Fed announced that they were going to go ahead and do what everybody expected them to do, which was to continue stimulating the economy by buying bonds. Don't know why that should have caused this, but again, markets are not rational, and neither is this. What does this mean? It doesn't mean a thing. We had a good run up here. You can see of several days. Today it decided to do a little bit of a little bit of correcting, and that's all I see here. This market is a runaway bull, and it's going to continue its action. I have a couple trades I'd like to show you today. We were not that affected by this. We managed to do pretty well. This was a nice trade we had in 3D Corporation, DDD, and we had bought this yesterday right near the close, and it kept up, and we got out there pretty well. Took a couple $1,000s out of 3D Corporation. And another trade we had that was also worth a couple $1,000, but it was just a little bit disappointing. I'll show you. This is in TQNT, that's Triquint Semiconductors, and we had jumped into this a couple days ago, right on the close. That's always a little bit scary. But as I explained, closing breakouts are usually pretty predictable. Thing gapped up yesterday very nicely, closed up here, and then it just pulled back a little, and we ended up getting out here. So that's still worth a couple $1,000s, but look at this. It kind of started to rally again, and this was against the prevailing direction of the overall market, which probably means TriQuint's really gonna go tomorrow. But anyway, we still made a couple $1,000s. It was a good trade. Anyway, that's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.